Okay. So guys, come on one by one. The assignment that's provided by you yesterday, like one word and sentence. Shradha ma'am is giving you the assignment. So one by one, come on. Talk that work, speak that work, and make the sentence. Come on. Starting with Sonambar ma'am. Starting with the monitors and then with the teammates. Okay. Sonambar ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Good evening to everyone. So my first word is like it's abide. ABIDE. It means to tolerate.
Abide. Okay.
Yeah. ABIDE. So the like sentence that we can make from this thing, it's like consumers cannot abide intelligent addictions anymore. So this is a word that I found.
You can use another sentence like we cannot abide income tax of the government.
Yes. Of course.
Amazing, ma'am. Amazing. Congratulations. Good. Good effort. Shraddha ma'am, mark her performance. Sarva ma'am performance +1.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we have next captain of batch 2. Mayank sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is your word and sentence? Come on.
Ma'am, my word is delighted.
Delighted. Okay. Sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, its meaning is very pleased, and the sentence is he looked up at the opening door, and his expression of sleepy indifference suddenly changed to one of delighted amazement.
Okay. Mayank sir, can you please open your camera as you are the monitor?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. Shraddha ma'am, please call the next intern.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Next, Divya Darshini, ma'am.
Hmm. Listen,
Divya
I cannot
Darshini,
hear.
ma'am. Ma'am. Okay, next. Diksha, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So
Yes, ma'am.
my word for today is affirmation. Affirmation. Affirmation,
Hmm.
and its meaning is emotional support or encouragement. And its sentence is he nodded in affirmation.
He
He nodded in affirmation.
in affirmation. He nodded in
Yes.
affirmation.
Yes.
Matlab he just discouraged or like he just rejected the emotional.
No, no. It's like he nodded in affirmation. He said yes in affirmation.
Okay, 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 okay. Then we have next is ma'am Shraddha ma'am next.
Gaurish, sir.
Gorish, come on. Gorish,
Hello, good evening, ma'am. I'm
speak.
sorry for the inconvenience.
No worries. हाँ बताओ.
A network issue, so that's why I'm leaving and joining again. So,
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. कर लो join फिर से. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आ जाओ. आ जाओ जल्दी से आ
uh,
जाओ.
shall I say now? Yeah, after that.
Hello ma'am. Actually outside due to some emergency I will attend the meet but not able to open mic and camera. अरे तो लिख दो फिर chat box पे अपना meaning और word. हाँ मैम आप बोलते जाओ. आप बोल दो मैम. आप बोलते जाओ.
Ma'am, my word about gusto, Gusto. That is the eagerness and willingness to learn things.
Thanks. Okay.
Okay.
Sentence.
So I have the gust attitude regarding the CD to learn new things and end over the new experiments.
Good. Amazing.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Then next word.
Next, Preeti, ma'am.
I okay. So guys, I just don't want that like one of the intern has got one feedback that this class becomes so monotonous. So I don't want the class to monotonous today. Open your cameras, open your mic, and just speak. I don't want that coming back. Sorry. Come on, open your cameras and just speak your words.
Please be quick so that we can move on to the games too.
Yeah,
Be
but
quick,
Hello,
quick,
ma'am.
everyone.
time
Yes,
come on.
Preeti, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've come up with this word euphoria. Uh, Euphoria is the experience of pleasure or excitement, an intense feeling of well-being and happiness.
Okay, sentence.
People sentence they were in a state of euphoria for days after they won the prize.
Okay, amazing. Good,
Thank you, ma'am.
good.
Ma'am,
Okay, moving on to next.
synonyms are okay.
हाँ, बोलो 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 बोलो, क्या सिनोनिम, क्या सिनोनिम, क्या सिनोनिम थे?
Ma'am, elation and joy.
Amazing. That's called work. Good.
That's called
Thank
excitement.
you.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Who we have
Next.
next?
Ma'am, can I?
Shadab sir. Okay. Yeah, Shulekha ma'am, go for it.
Yes, ma'am. My word is gregarious, which means a person who enjoys forming association and socializing. And my sentence is, it's my name. Srilekha is so popular and gregarious in her team.
Oh, amazing. Very good. Wow, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go next?
Yeah. Who is this? Padmaja, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have found these two words like which we use, like I personally use very commonly. So first one is hangry, HANGRY. It is combination of hunger and anger. So yeah, so the sentence is
Five.
yeah. So I'm feeling hungry because the preparation of food is being delayed. So yeah, like I'm feeling hungry because the food is not coming and I'm hungry and the food is not coming. So yeah.
I'm so angry. Samantha is not working.
Yeah, and second word is also like everyone can guess it. It's frenemy. It means that friend plus enemy. Frenemy, friend plus enemy.
Okay.
So yeah, political parties are always frenemy. So like during elections they become enemies, and during ruling time they are like friends. He's mine, he's mine, he's mine. So yeah.
Okay. So I just learned two words today. That is, one is frenemy, friend plus enemy, and second is
Yeah.
hangry.
Hangry.
Hunger plus angry. Wow. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Camera off करना. Please, यार.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Whom we have next? These words are so amazing, ma'am. Seriously, I learned a lot. Two words in my dictionary.
These are actually used very common, like in like where I speak or in my community. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Next. Come
Next,
on.
Shadab sir. Shadab sir.
Ma'am, I have no word
Why?
because मुझे मिला ही नहीं कुछ मजेदार.
Acha. Use one word. You can use one word that is enthusiasm. लिखो कॉपी में. EN.
Means इसका मतलब
बताऊंगी. EN.
okay. EN
TH.
ENTH
U.
U
SI. SAM. enthusiasm.
हाँ.
इसका मतलब होता है उत्साह. क्या मतलब होता है?
उत्साह.
So whenever we are like excited for something, we use the word enthusiasm. ठीक है?
Okay.
मिल गया एक वर्ड. अब इस वर्ड को आप बोलिए अपनी लैंग्वेज में. Come on, use it.
Enthusiasm.
Good. Meaning?
Meaning what meaning?
I'm very enthusiastic towards digital marketing. बोलो.
Repeat again.
I am
very
enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic about digital marketing. Okay.
नहीं बेटा, नहीं हंसना नहीं है यहाँ पर. फिर सीख नहीं पाओगे. मजे मत सीखो. इंटरेस्ट साथ सीखो. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो ये वाला वर्ड फिर से बोलो. पूरी लाइन बोलो. मैंने क्या समझाया?
I forget the word.
कॉपी में क्यों नहीं लिखा उसको?
Because मैं अभी कॉपी लेके बैठे ही नहीं हूँ.
Speak
Okay,
with me
sir.
again. I am very.
Ma'am,
शतमा आप बोलो.
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, शादाब सर, आप तब तक जाके कॉपी एंड पेन लेके आओ. एंड आज तो आपसे ये वर्ड हमें बुलवा ही लेना है किसी भी हालत में. एंड आप कॉपी पेन लेके आओ, तब तक हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं.
ठीक है शदाब सर? हाँ
Yes.
ठीक है. चलो मैम
Okay.
नेक्स्ट बताओ. कौन आ रहा है?
नेक्स्ट, हरिता. Harika ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Sustainable.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Sustainable.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Able to maintain at a certain rate of level. Sentence is that sort of extreme diet is not sustainable over a long period.
Sustainable meaning is to adjust, or I can say to use the resources in the right way. That is why our country is following sustainable development policy. Means whatever जो भी हमारे देश में जितना भी resources हैं for the greenery, like for the plants purpose या animal and plants purpose, so we always use things according to the nature sustainability, like उसके हिसाब से. ठीक है? That is called sustainable. Okay, got the point? To use the resources in the right way, that is called sustainable, and the way is called development. Okay, got the meaning? Thumbs up. Great success. Okay, next.
Jyotirmay Mishra ma'am.
Hello ma'am, good evening.
Hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am, good evening.
Ma'am, osmotics, relating to the sense of a smell.
Hi darling, I see your face first time. How are you?
Thank you ma'am.
It's your first
Hi
class?
ma'am. नहीं मैम, पावर कट के वजह से नहीं है.
अच्छा अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. चलो अपना वर्ड बोलो बेटा.
Osmotic, relating to the sense of smell.
Osmotic.
Osmotic, yes ma'am.
अच्छा, उसका मतलब?
Relating to the sense of smell.
Okay, osmotic, new word.
The supply of water must be associated with the formation of osmotic substances in the cell.
Okay, amazing. नया word है and good word, unique word है. Very good. Are you science student?
Ma'am.
Are you a science student?
नहीं, commerce background से.
Commerce. Okay, मतलब you are me are same. Great success. Okay.
Thank you ma'am.
Next. Don't push off your camera back. No.
Okay.
Next. Ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, next बताइए.
Okay, next up we have Kanishk sir.
Kanishk sir?
Kanishk sir?
Yeah, yes ma'am. So my word is pejorative.
Yes sir.
So my word is pejorative, which means disapproval of something. So I pejorative this work done by you. Anyway.
Okay, sir. Amazing, sir. New word,
Okay.
unique.
Thank you.
Ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, who is next?
Next we have Shrilekha ma'am. Mayank sir. Next we have Mayank sir. Sorry, Mayank sir has already spoken, right?
Mayank is
So
already,
next
yeah.
we have
I'm
Nicole
also
ma'am.
done, ma'am. Srilekha. I'm done, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. That's why I didn't took your name. Okay. Next up we have is Nicole ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Yes ma'am. Hello.
My word is paradoxical. It means that a statement that has a contradictory meaning, which means it has two meanings that doesn't make any sense together. So my sentence is, it seems paradoxical to me, but if you drink a cup of hot coffee, it seems to cool you down.
Wow, amazing. This is very unique, Shraddha ma'am, right?
Yes ma'am, it is.
Something also very unique. Like I felt something uniqueness from the word. Amazing. Great success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next. Shraddha ma'am, next. Guys, come on, next. Arey?
Padmaja ma'am.
Padmaja ma'am?
Ma'am, I gave hungry and
Padmaja ma'am,
friendly.
I've already said the word. That's why I called Pankaj sir.
Yeah.
Pankaj sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay. So my word is serendipity.
Oh, क्या word है?
Serendipity.
Serendipity.
Spelling is SERENDIPITY. DIPITY. That
Okay,
means
serendipity.
happiness.
Okay, wow. Wow. Okay, sir. So sentence. It's a new word, serendipity. Wow. Now I'll use this word only in my sentence. Serendipity.
I am serendipity to attend your session.
Great success.
That was quite good.
That was quite good, sir. Wow.
Okay.
Amazing.
So next we have Prabhat sir.
Ma'am, my word is fuddle. 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 Fuddle means confused. To make someone confused to think clearly, or we can say that the heat had fuddled our brain.
Okay, nice word. Puddle, serendipity, happy, confused. Wow. Like, if I would be using these words, people will get confused. They will say just use happy and confused only. Serendipity. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, next word.
Okay, next we have Sheetal ma'am. Sheetal ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I just joined, so I don't know what is going on.
Ma'am, we are like discussing the yesterday's assignment that we have given. Okay, like you had to bring a word with a meaning. So have you brought that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. This is what we are
The
discussing.
word is amid, AMID, amid or amidst, AMIDS, ST. Sorry. This is the word in the middle or the surrounded by. It's if I give the example, that cat managed to find a spot to sleep amidst my book.
Okay.
Or she has a beautiful house amid dozen of trees.
Okay. Good. Good, ma'am. Sheetal ma'am, very good.
That's
Great
one
success.
word.
Shraddha ma'am,
Thank you,
next.
Next we have Shikha ma'am. Shikha ma'am. शिखा मैम आ जाओ. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. बताइए अपना word.
Ma'am, contact list.
Sorry? What word did you say, ma'am? That wasn't clear.
Ma'am, contact list.
Contact.
Yes.
Contact?
Actually, ma'am, eyes one.
Acha, contact lenses?
I think
No,
it was
ma'am.
contactless.
Contact lenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, it was contactless. What, ma'am? Devadarshini ma'am, what are you saying?
Contactless, ma'am, I think.
Yes, ma'am. This is what I am thinking. That okay, Shikha ma'am, continue.
Ma'am, I want later.
Okay, Shikha ma'am, do one thing. You can write the word sentence in the chat box and then deliver it back to you. Okay.
Okay.
And if you haven't, like, if you have not brought the word, just go to the Google right now and bring the word quickly till the time we are completing with others. Okay.
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 Whom we
Next
have
we have
next?
Shilpa ma'am. Shilpa ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is the word?
Yeah, my word is a common and symbol, and it is a delighted and DELATED. So, the sentence is I convey my wishes to my friends. Very delighted.
Okay. Amazing. Good. Nice word. Very good.
What was the word, ma'am? I didn't hear that.
Belated.
Okay, belated.
B-E-L-A-T-E-D.
Okay. What does it mean?
It means coming too late.
Okay.
Coming too late.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. And last up we have Sneha ma'am. Yes ma'am, बताइए.
My word is adjourn. My word is adjourn. ADJOURN. And that means to postpone.
Okay. Sentence?
And the sentence is we have adjourned our party because of the curfew.
Okay, amazing. Great success.
Okay. So Shadab sir, you brought the pen and copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Shadab sir? Okay.
Yes.
So ma'am, tell the word. Now he'll be writing it. And we'll spell it out
The
again.
word is enthusiasm. E-N.
I have wrote.
Achha, wrote. Wow. Then meaning, tell me the meaning of the enthusiasm.
Meaning of the enthusiasm is utsaha.
Means
And-
happiness.
Yeah. And sentence is I'm very enthusiasm to do digital marketing or new things.
I'm not enthusiasm. I'm very enthusiastic towards doing digital marketing. Okay.
Okay. So I'm very enthusiastic to do digital marketing.
Very good.
Very well done, sir. Very well done. So now let's start with the today's
Ma'am,
games, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Ma'am, I want to give one small suggestion to Sneha ma'am regarding the word adjourned. So
Okay,
basically, it is not used like in place of parties and all. It is usually used like in court cases or in meetings. So it is basically it is appropriate to use that word adjourned in only those situations. Basically,
just judicially places.
judicial places or even like AGM or EGM which are conducted in a company. So that is the appropriate like meaning, the appropriate word which we have to use in those situations.
Okay. ठीक है. Sneha ma'am, we'll keep this in mind. Okay, noted. Okay. Now come on, everyone. Bring a sheet of paper like this. Bring a sheet of paper. Come on. If you have a sheet of paper and pen, come on. Bring.
Ma'am, what are we going to do with it?
We will do it, ma'am. Just wait and
Ma'am,
watch.
paper or
any paper. Line paper, blank paper. Any paper will work. Come on, everyone. I want to see everyone with a paper and a pen. Come on. Padmaja ma'am have already. Come on, guys. What is this? We are having activity now. Then we will say that our class is becoming boring. I don't want to make that class boring now. Come on. We have
Siddhi
some
ma'am?
fun. Yeah, ma'am.
Siddhi ma'am,
Yes, ma'am,
can
we
you
are
see how many?
Yes, ma'am. Say.
Ma'am, can you see how many of them have like
yes,
switched on
ma'am,
their
please
camera
check.
and how many of them have brought pen and paper with them?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sure, I'll see. Just a second.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, guys, this is the paper. Now, make a square or rectangle or star, any shape. Cut the paper in that shape. In any square, rectangle, any shape. Come on. Cut the paper. I'm cutting the paper in rectangular shape. You can cut in any shape. Square, rectangle. Come on.
Shadab, please turn on your camera.
See, I've cut
Shadab, sir?
Ma'am, my camera is not good.
Okay, no problem. Sir,
Diksha ma'am, you too.
Diksha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, make a piece of paper in the shape of star, rectangle, square, anything. Make it in this width. This much should be the width of your paper, not more than that. Come on, fast.
Ma'am, can you once show me the width of paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
This much. इससे भी मतलब छोटा होगा. देख लेना अपने हिसाब से ना, जो यहाँ पर आ जाए बैच के हिसाब से हमारे पास आ जाए. If I see that anyone have not cut the paper, then definitely you will not be spared now. Come on. See, my is prepared. Come on. In the paper, write career, dreams, educations. Come on, fast. Everyone, and then show me on the video call. Shraddha ma'am, you too.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Anyone is done? Let's see who makes first. Done.
मैम बहुत सारे जन का कैमरा स्विच ऑफ है.
Guys, please open up the cameras. How would I see that you are doing the task?
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Ma'am, is that okay?
हाँ. Done. हाँ, ठीक है. हाँ, ठीक है. बाकी मयंक सर सब लोग कहाँ हैं? मयंक सर, पंकज सर, कम ऑन दिखाओ कैमरे में अपना टैटू. ये कौन मैम आई? मैम दिखाइए अपना बैच, दिखाइए बैच. Guys, show your badge. Come on. Okay. Yeah, nice. Perfect, ma'am. Perfect. Mayank sir. Mayank sir, Pankaj sir, show your batches. Come on. We have to move to other task then.
Yes, ma'am. Here it is.
Yeah. Okay. ठीक है. Pankaj sir. Jyoti ma'am, show your task. Show your batch. Guys, just don't waste my time, please. Please don't waste my time. And yours also. Okay, ma'am. Good. ठीक है. Pankaj sir.
Can you
Guys,
see,
why
ma'am?
wasting? Yeah. Okay, sir. Done. Okay. Come on. Time waste करो. करना है तो ऐसे करो. मैं कुछ बोलूंगी नहीं. Time waste होता रहेगा. करो time waste. Okay, शदाब सर, ठीक है. श्रद्धा मैम, आपका बन गया, दिखाइए. सनोबर मैम, निकोल मैम, Sanobar and Nikul ma'am, show your batches.
Ma'am, see this.
Okay. Wow. Hey. Oh, amazing.
मैम मैंने ऑलरेडी बना ली थी फर्स्ट डे.
Wow.
This is so amazing. Yeah, good.
Creative it is.
Very creative. यार 2 मिनट में ला दिया बंदी.
Thank you, ma'am.
क्या नाम था आपका?
पूनम मैम.
Poonam. Poonam Maurya ma'am. Wow, ma'am. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So great success. Sanobar ma'am, show yours. Come on. Arey, she had. Wow. She's wearing that.
Yes, I was.
Sanobar ma'am is wearing it from the first class.
First day se we are wearing you.
Yes, ma'am. I have noticed it. No problem.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, now your batches are ready. Tomorrow onward, you will wear these batches in your classes. Just attach the pin and stick it here. Okay? Like this. Everyone. ये बहुत बड़ा बन गया मेरा छोटा बनेगा. ठीक है? Everyone will carry this badge tomorrow in the class. If I found anyone without a badge, you will not enter in my class. Sorry, because this is the symbol of our class and I don't want to remove it at any cost. ठीक है? Okay. Now, this is over. Comes the next task. Have you all you have like आप सबके पास ये bowl होगा? Everyone have this type of transparent bowl?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Don't have. Okay. Do you all have a water bottle with you, like this shape, with a cap?
Anything that's transparent, like
yeah.
Be quick, guys.
Okay. So now we can do. Hello, ma'am. I'm actually outside due to some emergency. I will attend the meet, but not able to open mic and camera. Okay, sir. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay, of course, sir. Okay, we can do one thing. Okay. See, we will play a game. ठीक है? In this game, this is the personality of an individual. This bowl is a personality of an individual. This bottle is containing water into it. ठीक है? अब I will select some adjectives for you, like adjectives like cute, tall, short, or I will use words like confidence, ठीक है? Teamwork, ठीक है? Good communication. You have to rate it on yourself. You will tell me how much water should I pour into it for you. ठीक है? If, for example, if Sanu ma'am have good confidence, then how much? If she will say stop, I'll stop, and she will let it will let us know that how much confidence she is having right now. ठीक है? So this is the personality test check examination. Okay. So let's start with Sanobar ma'am. Okay, Sanobar ma'am, full confidence.
Yes.
How much water?
Ma'am, pick up the bowl in your hand because it's not visible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Ma'am, stop.
Okay. So Sanobar ma'am has this much confidence. Sanobar ma'am, can you check it?
Yes.
And now, Sanobar ma'am, you have to achieve this much. This is your level. You have to go with this. Okay?
Yes.
Great success.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Mayank sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's your turn, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
मेरा काम बढ़ गया यार. ठीक है. 1, 2, 3. Mayank sir, passion. Your passion, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Stop.
So, guys, as you can see, Mayank sir, give a big round of applause for the confidence that guy is holding right now. Amazing, guys. Come on, clap on the screen. We have an option in the screen now. Clap. You can clap it there. You can show it with an emoji. Come on, this is the confidence that guy is holding right now. The passion is like this much passion. Everyone should always carry with them for whatever thing you have. Okay, so this is the passion of Mayank sir. Guys, come on, say
Thank you,
clap,
ma'am.
clap. Come on, everyone, clap for him. Come on. My mom.
Thank you.
will
Thank you,
kill
everyone.
me. It's okay, dear. Okay, Shadab sir. Shadab sir. Shadab sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will. What things you want to add me in the water? Like what quality? Like communication, digital marketing. Like what thing you want that I should add in it? Your quality. One quality you can give me. Dance, singing,
Time.
whatever.
Time management. Time management.
Time management. Okay, guys, the ball is again empty, and I'm filling time management for Shadab sir.
Okay, stop. Stop. Done.
That was Sakshi ma'am. That was
Yeah,
quite
ma'am.
honest. Like we
Amazing.
gave the option, and even he chose the option that he has.
Amazing, Shadab sir. Very good.
That was very good. That was quite honest.
So, guys, this is Shadab sir time management. Shadab sir, you have to control the time management from this to this. Okay? Be active more. Okay, whom we have next, ma'am?
Next, we can have Nicole ma'am.
Nicole ma'am.
Ma'am, leadership skill.
Okay.
3, 2. Dun, 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 dun. रोक लो पानी खत्म हो रहा है पानी खत्म हो रहा है
Okay, ma'am. Stop.
Water is getting empty, but she's not saying to stop me. Amazing, ma'am. So this is your like leadership, right?
Yes, ma'am.
A big pat for yourself. Come on, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amazing. Now for the rest interns, we'll not do this because the water is, it's flipping everywhere. My mom will going to kill me. That's what I don't want. So we are moving to another game for every other interns. Okay, now for the rest interns, we have tongue twister. So I'm showing some pictures. And पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ पे पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता. ये तो कुछ नहीं है. अभी बहुत tough आने वाला है. So I'm sharing my screen. And Shraddha ma'am, choose one candidate. Come on, fast.
Okay, ma'am. So I am choosing Diksha ma'am.
Diksha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चंदू के चंदू के चाचे को चांदी चम्मच से चन्नी चटाई. ये नहीं है, दूसरा दिखाती हूँ मैं. Like share my screen. Okay. So all the best, guys. I'm sharing the screen. Stop. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, where is my... Yeah. Come on.
Okay. So Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. मैम थोड़ा सा छोटा कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा छोटा कर रहे हैं. हाँ, okay.
छोटा हो रहा है ना वो.
Okay, better. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Diksha, 10 times. Come on, fast.
Okay. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy.
Diksha ma'am, hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Amazing.
Wow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow.
Shweta ma'am.
You were so perfect. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. She was perfect. Ma'am, can we have
Thank you,
next,
ma'am.
please? Come on.
Shrilekha, ma'am. Shrilekha, ma'am. Shrilekha, ma'am. Where are you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Read this.
Continue with the task, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, she's my best friend. Can I say all the best?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure, ma'am.
All the best, Srilekha.
Yeah, thank you. Come on, Sulekha, start.
Ma'am, five
Yes.
times. You can speak it 5 times, but
Yeah.
very fastly, very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. How many snacks could a snack stacker stack if a snack snacker snacker snacks? How many snacks could a snack snacker stack if a snack snacker snacker snacks? How many snacks could a snack snacker stack if a snack snacker snacks? How many snacks could a snack snacker stack if a snack snacker snacks? How many snackers could a snack snacker stack if a snack snacker snacks?
कितने स्नैक्स आ गए हैं यहाँ पर? हैं? कितने खाने के आइटम्स आ गए हैं?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Mayank sir? Oh, Mayank sir.
Very
Yes,
well
ma'am.
done, ma'am.
Come on, read this, Mayank sir. 5 times.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. How many snacks could a snack stack a stack if a snack stack a stack snacks? How many snacks could a snack stack a stack if a stack stack a stack snacks? How many snack could a snack stack a stack if a snack stack a stack snacks? How many snack could a snack stack a stack if a snack stack a stack snacks? How many snacks could a snack stack a stack if a snack stack a stack snacks?
Wow, amazing.
Amazing, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Next,
Ma'am, call the
we
next.
have-
Nicole ma'am.
Yes.
A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood.
Five times.
5 times.
Okay. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood.
Wow,
And after
amazing.
this class, everyone's tongue is going to twist really.
Okay,
Okay,
next.
next. We having
Preeti ma'am.
Shilpa ma'am.
Okay, Shilpa ma'am.
Okay, Shilpa ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Betty bought and some butter, but she said the butter bitter. If I bake this bitter butter, it could make it butter bitter. But a bit of bitter butter that would make my butter bitter. So she would brought a bit of butter better than her bitter butter, and she baked it in her batter, and the batter was not bitter, so it was better, bitty, botter, botter, bit of, better, butter.
Wow, amazing, ma'am. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, ma'am.
Shraddha
Very
ma'am.
nice.
Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will not, tongue twist.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
one, एक minute, I just stopped sharing my screen. Yeah. Now, whom we have one who speaks Hindi well. Who's that one intern who can speak Hindi? Anyone can speak Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj sir,
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ, right. After you and then Pankaj sir, ठीक है? Then you speak, then Pankaj sir will speak, okay? Okay, Sheetal ma'am, come on.
पका पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पिंकू पकड़े, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता, पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता।
हम हो गया पूरा ट्विस्ट, हो गया पूरा।
नहीं,
Pankaj sir, speak Pankaj sir.
ओके
मैम एक बार आप
पंकज
स्क्रीन
सर।
शेयर कीजिए मैम।
अरे नहीं सर, ये मैम के खुद की मतलब दी हुई लाइन है, ये कोई स्क्रीन शेयरिंग से नहीं आएगी।
अच्छा
मैम रिपीट इट वंस फॉर सर पंकज सर।
पके पेड़ पका पपीता, पके पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ पंगड़े पे। ओ भाई। नहीं। हाँ?
मैं
पके
बोलूं?
पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता। हाँ, तुम बोलो, मैं भूल गई।
मैम रहने दो आप। देखिए साक्षी मैम, आप रहने दो।
पके
पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पकड़े पे मैम एक बार बोलिए। मैम यू कंफ्यूज मी। I'll try it. Okay, I'll try it. Okay, ma'am. I'll go. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, एक मिनट. पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता। रहने दो मैम, सबके टंग ट्विस्ट हो गए अच्छे खासे। Okay,
हाँ, Shraddha yes.
Ma'am, I'll be trying it once. Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. So starting कैसे है?
पके पेड़ पे
Okay,
पका
याद आ गया।
पपीता।
हाँ, या आ गया। ओके, पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता।
हाँ,
Okay, पंकज सर।
या Shraddha ma'am सही। पंकज सर, now it's your turn.
Now it's your turn, sir.
दीक्षा मैम का सबसे फनी था। पका पेड़ पिंकू गया, पकड़ने पिंकू।
Okay, पंकज सर continue.
Can you tell me another one because in this I'm not getting.
Okay, चंदू के चाची को चांदी चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
मैम
So easy.
चांदी चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
मैम अपनी चांदी चौक मिस कर दिया। ऐसे है, चंदू के
चाची को चांदी का हाथ में चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
एग्जैक्टली ये है। राइट। ओके पंकज सर।
मैं बताऊं मैम एक।
हाँ, बताओ।
कुछ ऊट ऊंचा कुछ पूछ ऊंची उठ के कुछ ऊँचा कुछ पूछ ऊंचा कुछ
पूछे उड़ भी आ जाएंगे।
पंकज सर कुछ भी चूज करके बोल दो यार में से।
अपना ले आइए, अपना ले लीजिए।
अरे मैडम सबसे आसान है, वो बोल दो, खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कते खिड़कियां।
हाँ, खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह, खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह, खड़क से खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
3 बार ही सर, 5 तो करिए कम से कम सर, 5 तो करिए। ओ भाई ये मस्त है, ये बहुत मस्त है।
Like we had one ma'am who was very excited to speak. Who was she? I don't remember the name. Ma'am, who was saying? I guess Sheetal ma'am was there.
Yes, ma'am.
You were saying something? Yes, ma'am. Please.
चंदू की चाचाने वाला।
Okay, ma'am. Go for it.
चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में
Oh
हो
my
गए
God.
12 अंक स्टार्ट के लिए भाई, बहुत हो गए।
बहुत हो गया ये वाला। चलो मैम, अब कितने इंटर्न्स बचे हैं जिनका रह गया अभी एक्टिविटी होना?
ओके, अभी बची हैं ज्योतिर्मयी मैम बची हैं, कनिष्क सर बचे हैं, हरिता मैम बची हैं, महक मैम बची हैं, एंड
ठीक है।
दिव्यदर्शिनी
सॉरी
दिव्यदर्शिनी
स्नेहा
भी
मैम,
बची है।
यस मैम, स्नेहा मैम, दिव्यदर्शिनी मैम, शिल्पा मैम। ओके, मेनी आर लेफ्ट।
Okay, Divyadashini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now I'll give you some मतलब points, like points नहीं, मतलब basically these are the parts of personal development, like public speaking, ठीक है, and confidence, good communication, and debate speaking, all those stuff. So you have to rate yourself accordingly, ठीक है, on the scale of 10.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Confidence,
8.
good. Good communication,
7.
okay. Smile,
Ma'am, 10.
Though smile is not beautiful, but I'm
Ma'am, 10.
smiling.
Ma'am, 10. I am telling you 10.
हाँ.
Like the way
10.
you, like after listening to Smile, the way you smile, na, I already said 10.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
Yeah.
accepting.
And speaking, your public speaking, how much you will rate yourself?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Okay. Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. Come on. Do one thing. Write one thing.
Okay, ma'am.
My smile is my power. My smile is my power.
Done, ma'am.
I can do it.
But ma'am, charming smile is very like your sweet smile.
Ma'am,
is very
ma'am.
Done.
Divyadashini ma'am, genuine
ma'am.
and real smile is very beautiful. There is nothing like charming smile or beautiful smile. There is only a genuine smile. A
Ma'am,
smile by
charming
heart.
smile don't need any emotions.
I'm telling the smile by
And
heart, and the genuine smile is best.
Ma'am, charming smile, you can just see and fall in love.
See.
Wow, it's for me. Let me
For
catch
sure,
it.
ma'am.
Now, always smile. Okay, and you are beautiful. Who said you are not beautiful? I'll give a slap on that person's face. But not every time, but if he will say that. Don't worry. Okay, so
Sure,
ma'am,
ma'am.
stick this paper in your cupboard. And every morning you will say
Okay.
this.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay, ma'am, who is next? Shweta ma'am, who is next?
Prabhat sir.
Prabhat sir? Yes, amazing.
Yes, Diksha ma'am, you are very
Don't
right.
tag any mails now.
Prabhat sir, open your camera. Prabhat sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera. Okay. Now, rate yourself in the range of 10.
What, ma'am?
Rate your personality in the range card of 10.
Personality. Like what all quality I had.
Huh. Why are you smiling?
Tell it like 1, 2, 3, 4 type. 1 to 10, you can use
Like
any
4
number.
to 5.
Out of 10, give rate. Rate out of 10, sir.
4 to 5.
Why?
So low. Okay, ma'am.
5.
Sakshi ma'am. Now we are having a very big responsibility
Okay.
to make this 5-8.
Yeah, Prabhat sir, take a piece of paper. Bring a piece of paper. Write into it. Write. I'm telling something, write something.
Yes, ma'am.
Prabhat is a person
Prabhat is a person
no one can
no one can
defeat.
defeat.
I can
I can
do it.
quit.
My oath of life is
My oath of life is
making
making
impossible things
possible
impossible things do possible.
to do possible.
And I will
And I will
prove myself.
prove myself.
Not for others,
Not for others,
but for me.
but for me.
And then make this. Make this.
I leave.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now stick this paper on the wall where you sleep.
Okay.
Great success. Okay, Shraddha ma'am, whom we have next?
We have Sneha ma'am. Sneha ma'am.
Sneha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, rate yourself out of 10, ma'am. Your personality out of 10.
Personality 7.9.
2 mark you काटा मेरा.
Ma'am, 2.1.
2.1 marks you काटा तुमने मेरा. हाँ? अरे क्या कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, ये तो वो germs वाली हालत. Ma'am, it seems like that germs situation like 9.9%. So 99.9%. It's sort of like that.
Okay, ma'am, why do you think that you are 7.5? Why?
7.9.
7.9.
Because I know something is there, I have to improve that. I know I'm very punctual person and I'm very hardworking person, but sometimes I need to be confident and I have to decrease my nervousness. So
Take a
that
piece of
I
paper.
give.
Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. Piece of paper.
Yes.
Right. What is your name? Sneha.
Sneha.
Okay. Sneha, comma. Sneha, comma. I'm a woman. And one day I will do wonders.
One day?
And one day I will do wonders. My confidence is the key to my success. Now stick this paper on the wall where you sleep. And every morning you will read this line every day. Okay? Great success. Okay, whom we have next, ma'am? Shraddha ma'am, whom we have next?
Kanishk sir. Kanishk sir. So please be quick. We don't have that much time. Hello, Kanishk sir. I think sir is not there. Okay. We will have Mehak ma'am.
Mehak ma'am.
Mehak ma'am. Like, aren't we?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Okay, Mehak ma'am is also there. Okay, so we will be taking both the people, but since Jyotirmay ma'am took the initiation, so we'll take the Jyotirmay ma'am first.
No, we'll take both together. Wait a sec. I have a game for you.
Okay, that's great then.
Okay, have you ever played that game? It's called Damshras or what? Damshras. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे गाने चलाएंगे because ये क्लास है and let's take it to formal only. यहाँ पर आप लोग बनाओगे expressions. How you react to each other. Up like you are meeting both, but like it's your first time you are meeting together. Okay, so you have to make a bond. You have to make a bond. Like तुम दोनों ऐसा bond बनाओ जैसे you are friends. Like ऐसा नहीं stranger हो, friends हो. So make a bond like that. Make expressions like that. Like we first start with the Mehak ma'am. Come on.
And bonds like friends. We already know each other.
You know each other?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
You both
like,
are friends, no? You both are friends. So you will be making face like you are meeting your friend after a long time, and that is the expression that you have to make.
Like a happiness.
I've met
So show
after
it,
so
ma'am.
long today.
Yes, like after a lockdown, I meet my friends.
Yes, ma'am. Show your happiness then.
Yeah, I'm so happy to see my friend and go to the party and chill.
This is your expression. My expression would be Chinky, Pinky.
I never ever did this.
All expressions go like. I miss you. Okay, now it's your turn. Now it's ma'am. Ma'am is done. Now it's Jyoti ma'am.
Jyotirmay ma'am. Turn.
Yeah, Jyoti ma'am. Ma'am, your turn.
क्या बोलूं?
बोलो नहीं, एक्सप्रेशन बनाओ, एक्सप्रेशंस जैसे तुमसे पहली बार मिली हो.
अरे आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम पहली बार मिले हो
कितने
भाई.
दिनों बाद हम मिले हैं यार, कितने दिनों बाद.
Okay, ma'am, make expression like you are killing me. Make an expression like you are killing me. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हैं.
नहीं मैम. मैम का हो गया. मेरा करो, मेरा जैसे आप मुझे मार रहे हो.
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Like this.
महक मैम आप मार नहीं रहे हो मैम. ऐसे नहीं
Hello,
मारा
ma'am.
जाता. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Preeti ma'am.
मुझे मार देंगे.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, my brother has lecture at 7. So can I leave now?
Okay.
Ma'am, you are not done with the task now.
Yes,
think
ma'am. I've
it's more
given
than
that word.
Okay, word you have done, but task is still left. Now, so do one thing. Like rate yourself out of
Yes,
10.
ma'am.
Your personality out of 10.
Personality. 7.
Why not a 10?
Actually, I'm not that confident, and I just get nervous easily.
Rate my confidence on like rate my personality out of 10.
10.
ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया?
10 मैम.
ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आया? 10 में से 10 देने का. अभी तो 7 कॉन्फिडेंस था. झूठ बोलते हो तुम सब मेरे पता है मुझे.
नहीं मैम.
डर के मारे 10 बोला है. सब पता है मुझे. कॉन्फिडेंस सबके अंदर बहुत है. 100% दिखाता कोई नहीं है.
No, ma'am. Honestly.
No issues. We will give you a task in the group. Okay, your homework. You can leave. Bye.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Now तुम दोनों मुझे मारने की साजिशें करो ना. तुम बताऊंगी मैं मीटिंग खत्म हो गई. पहले मैं दूंगी.
मैम आप लोग मारने की
नहीं मैम, आप इतने प्यारे हो, आपको मारने का मन नहीं करता.
Sweet, we never kill you.
No, just अच्छा, you are killing with your sweet words. I will not kill myself. Don't worry.
Sakshi ma'am, this was also a technique. Like you know, अगर हम वैसे नहीं मार सकते तो प्यार से मार देंगे. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
प्यार से मारेंगे. खजूर को पीछे खंजर खोल के उसमें खंजर खूब के मारेंगे पीछे. पीछे से मार कर एक फ्रेंड इस तरफ से एक फ्रेंड इस तरफ से और साक्षी बिष्ट मैम भाई. जय श्री राम.
आप तो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन गए हैं मैम.
Oh, wow.
I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. Thank you so much. Bye. ठीक है तो तुम मुझे अच्छा, अब तुमने बेस्ट मारा तो मुझे खुले खुले मार लो, मैं खुले खुले भी जान दूंगी तुम लोगों पे।
नहीं मैम।
ओके, ठीक है मैम। ओके मैम, ग्रेट सक्सेस।
Yes ma'am.
यू बोथ।
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you ma'am. You too.
Okay. So how many are still left?
I think all have done, I think so, है ना?
Haritha ma'am. That was quite good that she raised her hand on her own.
अच्छा, Padmaja ma'am is also left.
Okay,
Yes.
okay ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay ma'am,
Padmaja
this
ma'am.
is up to you.
Yeah. Your
Okay.
task will be. There was a question from Diksha ma'am yesterday that was still not justified. Diksha ma'am?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, repeat the question, ma'am. She will answer your question then. Ma'am will answer the question. Repeat that question. What was yesterday's question?
Actually, I forgot the question. 1 minute, ma'am.
Write in the chat box.
Yeah, so it was about anger management. So, if you feel that you're capable of doing something and your parents don't feel that you're capable of doing that thing, so what to do in that situation? Like how to manage your anger, because you get frustrated that your family doesn't feel that you're capable of doing something, whereas you know that you're capable. So in that situation, how to manage your anger or frustration?
Okay. So your question was if you're capable of doing something, but your parents feel that you can't do that particular thing. So how to control your anger
And
there? Like how
mother
to
used to say, ना,
manage?
तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, क्या
हाँ, हाँ,
करेगी
हाँ.
तू? ये
हाँ,
ऐसे.
हाँ, हाँ. So I don't know whether it's funny or something. So I saw this movie called
Funny.
Secret Superstar. No.
हाँ,
The example which I'm giving. So I saw this movie called Secret Superstar of Amir Khan. So the main lead is played by a small girl who's 15 years old. So she's super good at singing. She
Singing,
wants to become a singer, but her father thinks that she can't do anything. So she's a girl, so she should not do few things. She should not be exposed. So then she secretly, with the help of her friend, she secretly, goes to some competition and finally, so her at final stage, the good thing was her mom was supportive, supportive. So she at the end, her mom helps her, and then finally, she removes her veil, and she reveals herself. So that is the story about. So I think so both the parents don't support. I think it's really we can't, it's a really very bad situation. The first thing is, first we should at least speak to mom or dad with whom we are really close. So at least with mom, like in my situation, I'm damn close with my mom. So at least in few situations, I just tell her that mom, I can do this. So can I give it a try or something? So if she supports you, it's okay to do something secretly, like how she did, hiding it from father, and you can expose it after achieving something. And otherwise, like in many of the cases, I think so. Like I saw most of my friends, face the same problem. So I like to help them personally. So sometimes I take risk because my parents are supportive. So I like to take risk for them, and I help them in many ways. So I think you can do that also. Like you can seriously, being secretive is not wrong, because we can't adjusting is something different from compromising. So we can't compromise ourselves even for our parents also, even like any our life partner or something. So I think just first confess yours. What you want to your mom or dad with whom you are so close, and then just try to confess it very calmly. So yeah.
Mehak,
ma'am.
Who told us secret? Tell me that. Who told you secret? Your mom disclosed the secret, right? अरे इतनी शख्सियत
Ma'am, your
गया
time.
माँ के साथ, माँ के पास बोलने, माँ मेरी ये बात है
Very
पिछवाना मत, अगले दिन माँ ने, सुन रहे हो, सुन रहे हो मैक के पापा? तुम्हारी बेटी कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गई, देख रहे हो मैक के पापा?
Ma'am, she like a pati prata patni.
Oh my god.
She will never
Sakshi ma'am, it's like, mom, I'm telling you, please don't tell this to anyone. And next day morning when I wake up, oh, you said this to your mom.
Actually,
Like this is the situation that we're going to face.
I'm like, and then I'm mother. ठीक है महक, mom, actually I have failed in maths. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. Mom, please don't tell to father ना. No, I won't tell कोई बात नहीं. And next day, महक के पापा सुन रहे हो, तुम्हारी बेटी मैथ से फेल हो गई है, कुछ पढ़ती तो है नहीं, पूरा टाइम रील्स बनाती है बस इंस्टाग्राम पे, संभाल लो. और देन महक का वाह.
Yes, Neha ma'am. Please tell.
Yes, shall we
Yes,
name
Neha.
we have a group discussion at 7:15 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Sakshi ma'am, we're almost done. I think the Sheetal ma'am is left. Sheetal ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Sheetal ma'am, you are left only, right? So ma'am, we can have an activity with Sheetal ma'am and then we can leave.
Okay, Sheetal ma'am, there's an activity for you, a very special activity for a special girl.
What, ma'am?
What do you see first?
The girl.
Girl? Old man
Yes,
or woman?
ma'am, the girl, ma'am. Woman, I mean woman.
If you saw a woman first, you means you are driven by the left and little side of your brain. You see the world as black or white, often overlooking the full spectrum of gray that also exists around you. Try to keep your mind and heart open to seeing more than just than facts. Welcoming the individuality of others into your life will make the world a better place. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? The statement reveals that the point of brain that catch that object is your left side. That catches the image, and you saw the woman first. That means you have to be more open now with the people. You are now, you are isolated from the people. You are like isolated from social roles. You have to be more indulge in them. Be more initiative. Be more positive. As I always say,
Okay,
and I will always focus on these things only in the classes. Be positive, be optimistic, and be socialized now. Okay, that's why you saw women first, not old men. Bichara Buddha.
Okay, so it was a fun session. I hope you all enjoyed it. So this is it for today's class. Thank you so much for joining, and now you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
And tomorrow we will have a theory class tomorrow. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
we'll be sharing the topics with you. So become prepared with your topics so that we can have a cute discussion regarding that. Not
And
only
guys,
class.
tomorrow we will not show you PPTs. We will just discuss on the topics. Like we will do group discussion from tomorrow. Okay, no PPTs because it's like somewhere it leads to boring and all those stuff. Like, right? One-way communication
So we
always
can
leads
have
to boring.
we can have a discussion regarding all
Yeah,
the topics. So
discussion.
we'll be informing you with the topic in the group only, and you all can leave now. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone.